Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a factory reset through settings on Samsung Galaxy A26. This video is gonna be about resetting it through the settings, so in order to do it, you need to have access to your phone. If you don't have access to it and want to factory reset it without knowing the screen lock, then you can watch another video on how to factory reset it through recovery mode. Although, even if you do it through recovery mode, you'll still need to know your Google account password if you've been logged in with it. And let's begin by going to the settings, of course. In the settings, scroll all the way down until you find General Management. Then find Reset, and now Factory Data Reset. Then you can just scroll all the way down and click on Reset, delete all, and as you can see, it asks me to connect to the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna quickly do it by swiping down from the right top part of the screen, then pressing and holding on the Wi-Fi and selecting the Wi-Fi network. So this is gonna be the one. Let's just enter its password. And now once I'm connected, let's go back to the factory data reset. This is a security thing with the Wi-Fi. So let's just click on delete all. And since I was logged in with Samsung account, I will be asked for my Samsung account password for security. But if you don't have the Samsung account logged in, you simply won't be asked about it. And once that's done, you just need to wait until it restarts. Once it's restarted, you'll be good to go with the setup. And now the reset process was just completed, so as you can see, it can be now set up. And if you don't know how to set it up, there also is a video on it on our channel. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.